searched for a free AI tool to convert images into videos only to be disappointed? Most tutorials out there either use clickbait or promote tools that aren't actually free. Some require payment upfront, while others give you a few free credits. Just enough to get started, but not enough to create a full video. And if they do offer a free version, they slap a huge watermark on your video, or lower the quality so much that it becomes completely useless. Don't worry, since you're watching Simplifi AI's video today, you'll get 100% free, unlimited way to convert images into high-quality AI videos without any watermarks. And the best part? This method works on both PC and mobile, and I'll show you how to create both landscape and portrait videos step by step. No confusing setups, no extra fluff, just pure practical steps to get you started immediately. So make sure to watch this video till the end, because by the time we're done, you will be shocked by the results. Let's get started. First, click the link in the description or the pinned comment. Now, once you're here, you'll directly land on the homepage, where you can explore already made creations. Click on any video you like, and on the left side, you'll see the prompt used to generate that video. You can copy the prompt or remix the video directly. Now click on Create Video. This will open your personal workspace with unlimited options. We'll go through these features one by one. But first, let's unlock unlimited free credits, so you can generate as many AI videos as you want. Now, pay close attention. This part is extremely important. Click on the charge button at the top. This will bring up the login page. But don't sign in with your official Gmail account. Instead, we're going to use temp mail, which will allow us to generate unlimited free credits. To do this, open a new tab and search for temp mail. Click on the first website that appears. You'll see a temporary email address generated on the screen, but don't copy it yet. Scroll down a little and click on Delete. Then click Refresh. This will generate a completely new email. Now copy this new email address, go back to the Daijin AI website, paste the email in the sign-up box, and click Get Code for verification. Now switch back to the temp mail website. Scroll down and check your inbox. You'll see a new email with a verification code. Open it, copy the code, and paste it into Daijin AI. Click Continue with email, and now it will ask you to set a password. Enter a password of your choice and click Done. And that's it. You're now logged in, and you can see that we've received 300 free credits, completely free. This means you can generate 10 to 15 AI videos without any restrictions. Other websites don't offer this many credits for free, and the best part, temp mail works here perfectly. So you can repeat this process unlimited times whenever you need more credits. And yes, don't leave the video just yet. If you skip the next steps, your video might end up with a watermark like this, which you definitely don't want. So let's move on to the next part, where I'll show you exactly how to generate AI videos step by step. First, upload an image. On the left side of the screen, you'll see an image upload box. Click on Upload, select your image from your device, and it will appear in the workspace. But what if you don't have an image? No worries. This tool also allows you to generate an AI image instantly. Scroll down to the image prompt box. Type a description of what you want. For example, a cute young girl on a dining table eating food, and hit Generate. Within seconds, an AI-generated image will appear. However, keep in mind that these AI-generated images can sometimes be inconsistent, meaning they might not always give you the exact results you're expecting. For better consistency, it's always best to use pre-generated images that you already have, or ones created with a more advanced AI tool. And if you want to learn how to generate consistent AI images, 100% free and unlimited for your YouTube channel or any kind of story, I've already covered that in my previous video. You'll see it appearing on the top right corner and also linked in the description. So make sure to check it out after watching this video completely. Once you've uploaded your image, it's time to customize the video settings. At the top middle of the screen, you'll see the music selection option. Here, you can either choose from the built-in music library or upload your own custom audio. Adding background music makes your video more engaging, so pick an option that suits your content. Next, you'll see the lip sync toggle. If you turn lip sync on, the AI will animate the character's lips to match the audio, but it will cost 60 credits per video. If you turn lip sync off, the animation will still be smooth, but it will only cost 30 credits per video. Choose based on what you need. Since the website is free, you can use any feature you want. Now, below the music and lip sync settings, you'll find the main video prompt box. This is different from the image prompt box. Here, you'll type instructions on how your image should animate. If you used an AI-generated image, you can simply paste the same prompt here to maintain consistency. Once all your settings are in place, it's time to generate the video. Now click the Generate Video button. Depending on your selected settings, this will deduct 30 or 60 credits from your balance. The AI will now start processing your video, which usually takes 1 to 3 minutes, depending on your internet speed. And here comes the most important part, downloading the video without a watermark. As soon as the video is ready and the dialog optimizing your video appears, download it immediately before the watermark gets applied. If you're on PC or laptop, right-click on the video and select Save Video As to download it. If you're on a mobile device, press and hold the video, then tap Download Video to save it to your phone. Do this quickly. If you wait too long after the video has fully processed, the website might add a watermark automatically, and you don't want that. Now let's check the results. Play your downloaded video. You'll see that the animation is high quality, smooth, and realistic. It looks like it was shot with a professional camera, and the added motion makes it feel incredibly natural. And remember, if a watermark does appear in your video, don't panic. Simply regenerate the video and download it immediately after processing. Since this method is 100% free and unlimited, you can do this as many times as you need. Now that your AI video is ready, let's move on to the next step. Now let's try another example, this time in portrait mode. These types of animated videos often go viral, which is perfect for short-form content like YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and TikTok videos. So let me convert this image into a video and show you. Just like before, click Upload, select your image, and it will appear on the screen. Now follow the same steps. Add music, choose whether you want lip sync on or off, and enter a video prompt to animate the image exactly how you want. Once everything is set, hit Generate Video and wait for the AI to process it. Within a few seconds, your high-quality, realistic animated video is ready. Now, as soon as the video is generated, right-click or press and hold it, then click Download Video. These types of AI animated videos have massive viral potential. People love engaging, dynamic content. And when done right, these videos can attract thousands, even millions of views. Whether you're creating content for storytelling, marketing, or social media, this method gives you a huge advantage. And the best part, you can do this an unlimited number of times. Since this tool gives free credits on sign-up, you can repeat the temp mail trick and keep getting fresh accounts for endless video generations. There are no restrictions, no hidden fees, just 100% free, unlimited AI video creation. Now that you've seen how easy it is, let's wrap things up. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video, it really helps. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more free AI tools and tutorials just like this. If you have any questions or need help, drop a comment below. I read and reply to every single one. And before you go, don't miss out. Click on the next recommended video on your screen right now. If you see this video suggestion on your screen, that means it's important for you. I'll see you in that video. Till then, bye.